Welcome back. Today we're going to take a look at the top 40 cryptocurrencies by market cap. We're going to start with HBAR number 1, followed by Phil, Atom, MNT, XLM, Injective, OKB, IMX, Arbitrum. Yeah, then we end with Arbitrum at number 40. Let's get straight into it. HBAR against BTC. Okay, we are hoping for HBAR BTC, excuse me, to complete a very nice squeeze over here. That's our hope. Will we? Remains to be seen, but HBAR BTC is still under the skinny pink line, so the trend is still bearish. Any signs of life yet? Yeah, there was over here, right? But yeah, no. Now it's back down. So that's HBAR for you. Pretty weak against USD. HBAR is still above the skinny pink line though. We did touch it, right? There's a tap, but yeah, we didn't really slice through. The thing is, once you break. This was very nice ascending, right? Once you break the ascending, you should be going higher. But we slice back down, touch the skinny pink line. Yo, bro, this is very weak. It's very weak. We'd love to see some strength coming in, but yeah, maybe we do a rally, right? And we consolidate over here. We might consider cutting through the wicks. This to be a squeeze, right? Forming above the skinny pink line as we hit higher. Possibly, but as it stands, yeah, we need to see this rally first. Filecoin, oh my god, Filecoin, what a disappointment. Another disappointment besides HBAR. Again, clearly under the skinny pink line. So the trend is still pretty bearish, but could we be very close to the end? We can't say for sure. Not at this point of time. Filecoin against USD, we have already crossed the skinny pink line. So we are anticipating the possibility of it heading down towards 4.25, yes, sir. So this is the target that we got, $4.25. But this whole thing looks like a head and shoulders to me. So I don't really like what I'm seeing on Filecoin. It's just not really looking too good. Once you touch the skinny pink line, right? Oh, you're gonna break lower, more likely than not. So a touch of $4.25 is going to be a sweep of every single cell cluster over here. Right, we'll probably head towards this noisy area though. So we're probably gonna slice through 425, probably even 420. Right, we might even go under $4 to be honest. It's just not really looking good to me, not at this point of time. So there you go. Atom against BTC. Here we are for Atom. Oh my god, just like Filecoin and HBAR, still under the skinny pink line. Things are still super duper bearish against BTC. Against USD, Atom is under the skinny pink line, yes. We still expect the possibility of Atom heading towards $3.40, right? Sure, Atom might complete. Okay, let's just consider everything. Atom might complete and ascending over here. Right, so you can also consider this as a symmetrical ABCD if it happens, right? But as it stands, yeah, no, we don't see any signs of life yet. So we anticipate mountain ranges to be completed and for Atom to continue lower. Mantle, MNT against BTC. Anything for Mantle? Yeah, we're under the skinny pink line. Not too good, brewskis. Not too good. Mantle against USD. Oh, we don't like this. Why? It's a very clear support over here. You see this? Mountains, 1. Mountains, 2. Right, and we keep hitting the support. Hit. Although we're still above the skinny pink line though. So there could be a strong reversal, right? But as it stands, we still don't see it yet. So we still need to wait for a proper reversal to come in for Mantle. Strong buying pressure. Stellar Lumens against BTC. Here we are for Stellar Lumens. Also super duper weak. We are pulling away from the skinny pink line. This is even worse. So it's just a disaster for Stellar Lumens. No clear signs of a bullish reversal against BTC. Against USD, it is also pretty ugly in the sense that this is left shoulder. This could be a right shoulder. Could Stellar Lumens be collapsing to 5.5 cents? I don't know. Right, there's so many clusters of cells here and here. So I suspect we could be sweeping all these cell clusters before a reversal. So yeah, preach caution. Although we still have a target over here. We're still loyal to our target, right? As long as we're under the skinny pink line. If things turn bullish, great. We will readjust ourselves. But as of now, yeah, I think Stellar is still going to hit lower. Injective against BTC. Here we are for Injective. Okay, it's not good against BTC. we're already in a bearish trend. We're under the skinny pink line, right? The moment you cross the skinny pink line, I'm just gonna assume this, right? You cross it, that's it. We are expecting this trend to happen. A downwards trend for Injective against BTC, right? And Injective has really done a tremendous 1,786% against BTC. So it's time for a correction for Injective BTC. Against USD, we are also touching the skinny pink line. This is not good. Sure, there could be a rally, but we will be weaker than BTC, more likely than not, because we're already under the skinny pink line. So the trend has really switched bearish. Bullish, now we're bearish. Injective BTC. So which means that if things were to rise up together, right, Injective and BTC, we're expecting BTC to do much better. And because again, Injective has really done tremendously, right? 4,000%, 4,000, right? Are you gonna expect another 4,000 or even 400? Yeah, no, not at this point of time. So again, once you touch the skinny pink line, be very, very careful, right? Previously, when Injective touched the skinny pink line, that's it. It was the sign of a big bearish trend coming on, and Injective collapsed. 90%. Holy shit! The same thing could happen again. We're still not entirely certain yet, but this is shaping up to be a rising wedge. You see this? It's becoming a rising wedge. Right. Previous trend was bearish. We're anticipating this to happen. Sure, we may still rise higher. Sure, but I still expect Injective to eventually drop much lower. OKB against BTC. OKB BTC, we have a low over here. We're expecting it to be swept. So more downside for OKB BTC. OKB against USD, we are again under the skinny pink line already. We were anticipating $75, but we were so close to it, but we didn't hit it. And now we're already down. So, oh my god, this is not good. So I suspect OKB might drop down to clear these lows first before heading higher, right? But again, no clear high quality continuation or bearish sharp pattern, right? Again, look at this squeeze. Bam! We exploded up. But this is turning into a falling channel though. So falling channels will still head higher. But again, once you touch the skinny pink line, yeah, I mean, you want to be very, very careful. IMX. So for IMX against BTC, we are already under the skinny pink line, so it's not good. Trend has already switched bearish. Again, very good example. Look at this. A rising channel. Previous trend is bearish. Subsequent trend, we're expecting it to be bearish as well. So, makes it so weak. Against USD, we are almost touching the skinny pink line. We have a target here, fresh out of the oven at $1.40. And if you can see very clearly, this looks like a head and shoulders. Oh my god. So IMX could be hitting much lower. We're very close to the high though. So IMX could be coming down for a wave C. Right? We could be in the midst of completing. This could turn into a descending triangle though, as it heads lower. So yeah, IMX is just not really looking too good. Sure, there could be a surprise rally as we go higher, right? We're still above the skinny pink line. So technically, we're still in a bullish trend, right? So the trend is still bullish. We remain with our bullish bias, but we are aware that things are starting to look bearish in terms of its chart pattern. Sure, the skinny pink line is still under, but how much longer is it going to stay under, right? So again, IMX has also done tremendously. It's already done 800%, close to its highs. So for it to break its highs, it will probably need to have a big accumulation, maybe the next cycle, before we see any sort of a recovery for IMX. Next would be Arbitrum. Oh my god, Arbitrum is another disappointment. Arbitrum, we keep forming new all-time lows. This was already an all-time low. Very nice rally. We slapped all the way back down. New all-time low. New all-time low. Super duper uber weak. Arbitrum against USD. Okay, under the skinny pink line means the trend is already bearish for Arbitrum. Again, we might still see rallies though, but I suspect this rally will result in much more downsides. Possibly, you know, forming new lows. So yeah, this is very disappointing. All the way up, all the way down. So that's it. That's it. We're probably gonna consolidate and head lower. You can view this as a very big A, B, C in the making. So yeah, that's it for Arbitrum. We move on. Alright, boys and girls, I guess that's it for today's top 40. Hope you guys enjoyed it. See you in the next one.